Now we everybody enough familiar what is the meaning of the taking the bath from the water and how we can clean our body. So everybody enough familiar about the how what is the importance of the water, why we drinking the water, why we take bath from the water, because water is one of the element of our body. So just like water and bath from the water and we feel more freshness from the bath from the water. Just like that, I am trying to understand you that when you listen the sound of the god at the your penal eye, at your third eye center, when you see the light of the God at your penal eye at the third eye center, when you concentrate at the third eye center, and you feel more freshness than water and air, and your each organ of your body can be charged and just like become as origin, because this sound and this sound and this light is the creator of the universe, the creator of the cosmos, and creator of the whole the world, even creator of our body. So I am trying to understand you in this corona time and in this many disease and virus time, how to save life from and how to save long life and healthy life and powerful life. So we have to attach with superpower and try to listen the sound of the god and try to see the light of the god. One another example I can give you, just like air. We cannot see the air, but effect of the air we can see the effect of the air. So I am trying to understand you. At present you and me, whole the world are the ocean of the air, and each second we are taking the breathing from the air and breathing from the air and breathing oxygen. Oxygen is very important of our body, and without oxygen, without air, we cannot even imagine to stay more on this earth even 1 second. So I am also trying to understand you that like a water and like a oxygen, the waves of the heaven which is coming at our third eye center each second is most important how to stay on this earth. And this is the real worship of the God. If you are attached with that superpower and listen the sound of the God and see the light of the God, that you feel you feel extraordinary charging and charging your each organ of the body, charging your ideas, charging your mind, even charging your souls, and feel extraordinary charging. At present, I want to say, this is a message of the God that go to the inner side except of the outer side. Go to the inner side and except of the outer side, because inner side has a more powerful is giving you a real charging. Real charging is real worship of the God. Is there is a very good power in the inner side. So if you want to save your life from the corona and many other disease, if you want to stay more long life, more healthy life, more powerful life, then you have to compulsory attach with that superpower. It is a message of the God that I am just delivering to you. If you not understand, then you can ask me any question at info@missionsigning.org. I am just ready to give your each answer. I am just ready to give your each answer. And there is a achiever form is also available on missionsigning.org. So you can fill up the form and ask me any questions at the information at the missionsigning.org, so I can understand you more that how to listen that sound of the God, how to see light of the God. Because what is the my goal? My goal that how to save the life of the people of the world, how to save life the people of the world, because there is nothing is greater than the life. Nothing is greater than the life. And I am trying to understand you. I am trying to understand you. I am trying to save the life of the people of the world. So I, Nikunj Mehta, further declare and state that I am self-realized. I am realization of the God. I am daily going to the journey of heaven. I am just listen the sound of the God in my penal eye. I can see the light at my penal eye. Even I am receiving continuously message from the superpower and do my duty, do as directed by heaven and do my duty as well, and delivering this message to people of the world that how to save your life from corona and how to save your life from other disease. Even you can achieve your rarest of the rare dreams. Even you can achieve your rarest of the rare dream. Even you continuously charging from that superpower. So I am trying my best, and if you have any question, you can ask me freely. That's all. And I am try to understand you that we pray, I pray that you just attach with that superpower and listen the sound of the God and see the light of the God and do the real worship of the God. Otherwise, the tomorrow coming is indefinitely, and you compulsory have to spare your time to see the listen the sound of the God and see the time and see the light of the God. The day will come, tomorrow the day will come that you compulsory see it and compulsory spare your time to listen the sound of the God and to see the light of the God and engage to do the real worship of the God. That is, I am just delivering my speech and I am just try to giving my message. So, my dear friends, my relative, and whole of the world, I am just giving and delivering my speech and try to real to guide to you that how to save the life from the corona. I am just pray and I am just pray to my superpower, my Gurudev, my superpower, all priest, all wali, uliya, pegambar, and namaskar to everybody, even namaskar to your soul, that and also pray to God that you all are always remain healthy, always stay on this earth with long life, with healthy life, with powerful life, and achieve your rest of the rare dream. Namaskar.